Hello everyone and Jen. What's up guys? Ako si Miguel. I'm holding on to this play.
Thank you so much. Guys, play your single and your upcoming hits.
Yes, of course. So, sa mga kinakalam, we have an upcoming album coming out very, very soon. And it's actually a debut album ng Aster. And yes, sa mga kinakalam, our choreography for Parang Maneo was choreographed by Coach Cedric Maneo of Mastermind. And of course, our leader, Kian. And yeah, we hope you guys are looking forward to Aster and to our new songs.
Yes. And maraming salamat po sa all sa listening natin us. If you want to know more about us, Aster, you can follow us on all of our social media accounts. You can search Aster_PH, that's AZTER_PH. Maraming salamat po. Hindi AZTER, Kuya
Aster, salamat po!
Wow! Guys, thank you so much. Flash King coming at 7:15 p.m.
Yes po, ang firework rin 8:50 p.m. pagkatapos ng Master Carter Monday to Friday.
Ang Master Carter, 8 p.m. Pagkatapos ng 24 oras, Monday to Friday.
Yes po, siyempre patuloy natin suporta ng P-Pop dahil ang tagumpay ng P-Pop ay tagumpay din ng OPM.
Amen! And of course, thank you so much, Max and Rian, and party inside of this Sunday!
Thank you so much for my P-pop experience. I hope it's not the last. And guys, please follow me on Instagram at Rian Ramos.
Follow me on Instagram at Passion Official. Oh yes, ako!
Follow the Plaza Teams every Sunday, 7:15 p.m. bago mag-PMJS. At para sa mga excited behind the scenes, excited kung alam behind the class, every Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, 5:15 p.m. sa Kapuso Street.
Let's go, Miguel!
Ulit nga po ulit ang mga Fireball, 8:50 p.m. Task Force Fireball.
Hey, let's go, Galo!
Let's go, Stephanie! Born to shine! Of course, with you, be Born to Shine Mondays and Saturdays at 2:30 p.m. after it's showtime. And of course, Caprice, thank you so much for being here. Please do promote You're My Favorite Song. Please watch You're My Favorite Song Monday to Fridays, 4 p.m. sa Jimmy Afternoon Prime.
Ayan, maraming kaabang-abang na pangyayari sa You're My Favorite Song. So, dito ka. Yes guys, abangan niyo You're My Favorite Song at see you guys at my concert sa September 5. Yes! Uy!
Yes, and meron din kaming fan meet this coming August 1. You're My Favorite Song fan meet. So please, I'll remind you all to please buy tickets and see you all there. Love you all!
Yes, all of our P-pop groups, of course, thank you so much.
Yeah, people!
Of course, ito nga, Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. sa GMA. At syempre, pasalamatan natin ulit ang ating mga P-pop groups. Maraming salamat, grabe. Idol namin kayong lahat. First one, Aster! YGRG! Thank you, guys! Ri, I think ulitin ko na lahat ko kanina. Go! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go!
Yeah, Club 7, thank you! Siyempre, ito na nga, kita-kits ulit next week for more all-out kantahan, all-out sayawan, at all-out good vibes. This is of course, thank you very much sa lahat ng P-pop. Thank you. Bravo, thank you. Golden Yumi, thank you, Yumi. Maraming salamat sa lahat po, guys. Yung sa mga fans ko, maraming salamat. Yung mga kapuso na natin.
Anaminuno nga pinayungan, kaupay daw hini ay ahay hinipakitan, naimug sula inihan pakuran dito halawan. Udan pagkuranan kwarta nga ginsabrak ni congressman